Someone commented AI plus gig work on my last video, and yes, AI can absolutely help with gig work. I'm going to show you exactly how I use AI to work smarter, not harder, when it comes to gig income. If you're new here, I'm Sharon from Life by Sharon B. I work full-time, I do gig work, and I use AI tools to save time, reduce stress, and make more money. And I share what actually works. So guys, I know I haven't dropped a video in a while because I was sick for a little bit. I had some things going on. I'm in the middle of changing jobs. There was a lot going on, but I am back now. I am trying to revamp this channel actually too. For the New Year's, I'm trying to decide which direction to go. I would like you guys' input, but let me jump back into this video. So I'm going to explain things like asking AI which gig apps pay best in your area, planning the best days, times to work, estimating earning goals for the week. So I don't just guess anymore. I ask AI to help me plan smarter, like route planning, time blocking, deciding when to stop tracking expenses. So AI helps protect your time and energy, not just chase money. So the example I'm showing here was Walmart Spark, because I was going out to do Walmart Spark this day. So I was trying to plan out a day like I normally do, to see the best routes and everything. But actually this day it did not work out for me because I didn't get the orders that I needed. So yeah, so tracking earnings, knowing what worked and what didn't, and like I said, it didn't work out for me. Deciding if a gig is worth repeating. So like I found out that day when I was doing it, like, oh, it's not even worth going out here today. They're low balling. And I went on the time to get on any other apps. But I did just want to show you an example how you can plan out with AI. And this is how I avoid burnout. I review instead of repeating mistakes, So AI won't replace the work, but it can absolutely make the work easier, guys. So let's just give it a try. I could show you like the prompts I use, what I state to AI, ChatGPT to be matter of fact, to plan out my day. You can use Google Genie as well. So if you want me to break down the exact AI prompts I use for gig work, comment AI gig below. I'll make this into a full series if you want me to. Let me know. And we'll go from there, guys. So yeah, this is just, in this video, I'm just showing, how you can use AI, how you can track, how you can, even put in the orders to see, like, is this order worth it? AI is going to break it down, why it's not, and why it's a good order. Like, my goal had started out at 200 that day. I was only I wanted to work 3 hours, make $200. Well, the strategy that AI came up with, I just wasn't getting the orders. The orders wasn't coming in, it was not that busy that day as well. I should have asked about the days and more information. But I was just really trying to show you guys example of how it works. So I just, then I went down to $100, but then I had to get off of Walmart Spark because I had some stuff to do. And I still do work a full-time job, so I didn't have time to stay on there that day. But I am going to do a full video where I do it. I'm going to go out, use AI to show you like which other platforms you can use it well, because I only am showing Walmart Spark in this video. And like I said, this wasn't a a busy day. I was gonna like hold this video off and then do it on the busier day, but I haven't put out a video in a minute. I can do a part 2 to see the results if you guys want to, because I don't show the results in this video, like I said, because I didn't get to finish that day because I had to go. But I can, you know, get a video breaking down exactly what I made that day, and you know how I used the AI to help me choose which platforms to stack together, because you can do that too. I'm telling you, the tool really works because it saved me from wasting my time, because usually I'll be sitting out there, looking at the orders like, okay, one might look good to me. I might see a $19 order that's going 3.7 miles. Well, and but I'm not looking at the other factors like, oh, is it a apartment? Is it how many orders on there? Is it 1, 2, or 3? So stuff like that. So like I said, I be want to work smarter and not harder, and using AI definitely helps with that. It's a tool. I'm telling you guys, you can use it just about for everything. I definitely do, like planning, even down to I just took another trace. I was a liquor manager at my last job, but they wasn't doing me right there. So I had put in application at two other jobs, and I got both of them. So I was asking ChatGPT, did a side by side of pros and cons of which company to choose, because they both were paying the same amount. I just didn't want to go with the wrong company. So we broke it all down, so I went from there. But yeah, ChatGPT is very helpful, y'all. If y'all like these videos, like, comment, and share. Catch me on my next one. I'll see you guys again in another one.